Hello student, let's try to answer one more questions that is also asked by my student. In basic medium he is facing the problem. What is there student? Permanganate ion. Permanganate ion means what student? This is MnO4 minus ion student. React with bromide ion. Bromide ion means what student? Br minus. In basic medium to give manganese dioxide. So what it is giving student? It is giving MnO2 student, manganese dioxide, and bromate ion. What is bromate ion student? BrO3 minus. Write the balanced ionic equation for this reaction. So it is very simple student. First of all you should know the oxidation number of each element student, because Mn is changing into MnO4 minus to MnO2 and Br minus is changing into BrO3. So let's try to look about some rough work students. So if you are having MnO4 minus, so you consider to be X, because we don't know the oxidation number. 4 oxygen are there, each oxygen minus 2 equal to minus 1. So X minus 8 student, 4 to ja 8 plus into minus minus equal to minus 1. So X is equal to minus 1 plus 8 student. So X is equal to plus 7. So here is the plus 7 charge is there. If you are calculating MnO2 student, so oxidation number of Mn is X. Here 2 oxygen are there, each oxygen oxidation number minus 2 equal to, there is no charge on it, so it is 0 student. So X 2 to ja 4, so what is plus into minus? So that is minus. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 4. So it is going to be plus 4 student. And finally you check student, 2 Mn you check. So plus 7 to plus 4, it is reduced student, so reduction. Now you see BrO3 minus student. So Br if you are considered to be X, 3 oxygen is there, each oxygen minus 2 equal to minus 1. Because here charge is the minus 1, so that is we put the equal to minus 1. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 and plus 6 student. So X is equal to how much is there? Plus 5. So student here is plus 5. So these are the oxidation number. Here is minus 1 to plus 5, that is increase student. Now positive charge increase means oxidation and positive charge decrease means reduction. So this is what the process you got to know student. So this is what the very first step we understood, that is which reaction is going to be oxidation and which reaction is going to be reduction. Now the next step what we are going to do, we are going to split the equation student, right? Here is, this is the step number 1 student. If you are considering step 2, we are going student. Step 2, split the equation into 2. Split the equation into what student? Into 2 half equation. 2, this is what student? Half equation. So how you can split student? Very simply, here is MnO4 minus is there, it is converting into what student? MnO2. Here is what there student? Br minus is there student, BrO3 minus student. Here is the rule is there, step number 3 student. What is step number 3? Balance other than O and H. Balance here is other than O and H, oxygen and hydrogen student. So you see Mn is 1, Mn is 1, Br is 1, Br is, so already balanced student. So step number 4 you write student. So balance, what they are saying student? Balance O by adding H2O student, O by adding H2O and H by adding H plus student. H by what? Adding H plus student. Now solve it. So dear student, here is MnO4 minus is there, here is MnO2 student, MnO2. Here 4 oxygen, 2 oxygen, so it will be the 2 water molecule you add student. So oxygen balance, here hydrogen become the 2 to the 4, so we are adding 4H plus student. So everything is in this equation balance, all the atoms are balanced student except the charge. Now the next one is there student, Br minus, it is converting into BrO3 minus. Here student 3 oxygen is there, so it will be the 3H2O and here is what is there student, 3 oxygen valence, Br valence, hydrogen is 3 to the 6, so 6H plus student. Dear student, now all the atoms are balanced. Now what we need to do is student here, we need to balance the charge student. Step number 4, balance the charge, not 4, this is actually 5. Balance the charge student, balance the charge by adding electron. Where you will add electron student? Adding electron in that side where positive charge is more, where positive charge is more student, charge is more. Wherever positive charge is more student, that side we need to add. Dear student, let's see, MnO4 student, MnO4 minus 4H plus is there student, it giving student MnO2 plus 2H2O. Student, this side charge is 0, this side positive charge is where 4 plus 1 minus, so total charge is how much? Plus 3. So you need to add, that is 3 electrons. So 3 minus and 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus and 4 plus, that become the 0. So this is charges is also valent in this one equation. Now the next equation you need to see student, what here we are having student, Br minus student and 3H2O. This side what it is going to give student, BrO3 minus plus 6H plus. Now the rule is saying that is balance the charges by adding electron in that side where positive charge is more. So here you see there no positive charge, only negative. Here 6 positive charge is there student, so we need to add this side. So here is minus 1 negative charge is there, 1 electron. This side how much is there? 5 electron is there student, 5. You see 1 negative is there and 6 positive is there. So if I will add here the 6 electron student, so 6 plus and 6 minus will be equal student, and 1 minus will be left here. So this is now the balance student, both side charges are balanced. Now the next one student, we need to cancel the electron student. How to cancel the electron? So both in this equation, if you can multiply by 2, and in this equation you can multiply by 1. So this will be the cancel, right and left side the charges electron will be cancelled. So after multiplying we are writing student, dear student, let's see. So here is 2MnO4 minus, we multiply by this, and then it is the 8H plus 6 electron minus, here you go student, it is the 2MnO2 plus 4H2O. Now here no need to multiply, Br minus plus 3H2O, this side student, BrO3 minus plus 6H plus 6 electron minus student. Here you see this 6 electron right side, this electron left side, cancel out. Now you add this equation student. So how can you add? 2MnO4 minus student, 2MnO4 minus, this is plus what is there student, Br minus plus 8H plus 3H2O. Student, this side you can go, so 2MnO2 student plus 4H2O. Student, if you see in this equation, what you will find here, there are the common things are there that we can reduce student. What is the common thing student? Here the H2O is 3 left side and 4 right side, so we need not to write the H2O. So 2MnO2 student, what we can do, that is, so water molecule what is there, so here it will left only one water molecule, 3 gone, 3 common, so gone. So here it will left, right side will left one water molecule. So 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 6H plus student, and what is there student, 6H plus and 4H2O. This is student, here you see 8H plus and 6H plus, this is the common factor, so you can remove it student. So 6 removed student, so how much is left student? So 2H plus is left here student, 2H plus, right? Now this is the balance in acidic medium student. Convert in basic medium, convert in to basic medium. Okay, we need to convert into basic medium student. How can you convert in basic medium, dear student? By adding as many, what? Add many OH minus ion as many it has H plus, as many it has H plus ion. Now add, student, add it. So 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus plus 2H plus is there, student. So you add the 2OH minus ion also. Here this side, student, 2MnO2 student plus BrO3 minus plus 4H2O plus 2OH minus ion. Both side we have to add equal number of OH minus ion. अब now this left side, student, 2H plus 2OH minus, it will combine to give 2 water molecule. So 2MnO4 minus, student, it is the Br minus, here is the 2H2O. This side you see 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 4H2O plus 2OH minus. This is now balanced in basic medium. But what is the problem? Here is 2 water molecule and 4 water molecule. This is common. So common things we have to remove. So here, student, 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus, it is giving, student, 2 water molecule gone. Here it is giving 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2OH minus. This is there, student. Now we have to check, student. Now we have to check. So here is Mn is there, O is there, Br is there, and charge is there. Charge. Okay. Here is there, Mn is there, O is there, Br is there, and charge. Dear student, how many Mn? 2. This side 2. Oxygen, how many are there, student? 4. The 8. This side 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 7. Okay, here is the 4 3 7. So little bit somewhere we did the mistake, student. 2 water molecule, here is 4 water molecule. Oxygen is not getting. 4 2 ja 8 is there, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, let's see, student. Br is how much, student? Br is 1. Here is Br is also 1. Charge, you see, 2 2 ja 4 minus 1, that is minus 3, and here charge is also minus 3. But oxygen we need to see, 2 2 ja 4, 3 7 2 9. The oxygen, student, it is not getting valence. And Mn is obviously it is valence, and hydrogen is also not valence, student. Hydrogen, it means somewhere we have done the mistake, student. 2 water molecule, 2 water molecule. Let us see, student, where the mistakes has held. So here is the H2O. How many H2O? Here it will be 1 H2O, student, because here 3 H2O and 4 H2O common now, so it will left with 1 H2O. I am sorry, student, this is 1 H2O, right? Because 1 left now. Now what we need to do, student, here is the 2 H2O either balancing. This side left with how many H2O? 1 H2O. So here if you are adding, student, the 1 H2O and 1 H2O, this is out. So this side, that is left side, 1 water molecule left, student. Sorry, I am extremely sorry. Here is H2O left, because here when the cancelling na, here 4 is there right side and 3 is left side. So right side left only 1, but I wrote initially 4. So here is what is H2O. Now you can see, student, now the oxygen is totally balanced. How much? 9 oxygen here. This is 9, and oxygen is here is also, that is, you can see 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 4 3 7 7 7 1 8, no 7 2 9, student. See, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 7 7 2 9 9 oxygen. So everything is balanced, students. So little bit I did the mistake. Thank you very much for watching.